Welcome back to Coolidge, Arizona, to my YouTube channel. Being that I have to have permission from now on to do a flyover of their building, and who knows if they'll even give me that. That's the first time in a year that I've been restricted of flying over their facility. The last security guard I asked said, yeah, go ahead. So I don't know if they have anything to hide or what they want to protect, because it is a publicly held company, and Lucid Motors does the same thing. Disappointed. I wanted to talk to you about Lucid Motors a little bit, and I'm going to show you some clips later of what I shot 3 weeks ago, and I actually don't want to even go over there today because I don't think anything has changed. For a company that's got their assembly line going, you would think there would be tons of cars outside, and there was no cars. I flew around the whole building. They've done some work on their parking lot, but nothing as concerning as like if you went to a Tesla assembly plant, there'd be thousands of cars outside of the building ready for shipment, and I expect to have something like that at Lucid. Let's talk about market cap for a second. I looked at the market cap of Lucid Motors, and it was $70 billion for a company that has produced a handful of cars. Amazing. And now look at Ford Motor Company, that's $80 billion. General Motors, $82 billion. And they produce millions of cars a year. And yet, Lucid Motors, in a week, have more value than them. But if you look at Tesla, whose market cap is, $1 trillion, amazing because of their promise of a full self-driving and a robo-taxi fleet or something like that causes all these investors to want to spend billions and billions of dollars investing in a company that has all these promises. You can see I'm a little bit down on it because I can't can't fly over the facility and see if anything has changed. The security guard said, yeah, they made some changes on the outside since the last time I was here. I don't know that for a fact, but anyway, I'm going to show you a clip of Lucid Motors I shot 3 weeks ago. Disappointed in it. It'll be on the tail end of this video. Just wanted to say thank you for watching. Be wise in investing in these two companies, Nikola and Lucid Motors. I have invested in Nikola in the past, never in Lucid, and probably never will. I'd rather invest in a company like Volkswagen, which I have shares of. I'd be fully open with it. Today, I'm riding on my scooter. And it was about 50 miles from my house, here in Arizona, my little park model. But anyway, I appreciate you watching. I'll have the clip running of what I've shot at Lucid Motors, probably why I'm even talking right now. But thanks very much for watching. Talk to you later and see if I get permission to do a flyover next month. Bye-bye.